Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest products honestly. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer with steamer. This versatile appliance combines air frying and steaming functions in one machine, offering convenience and efficiency. Let's dive in and explore its features. Air fryers have become popular for their ability to cook crispy chips. But the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer takes it a step further by incorporating a steamer function. This model stands out with its versatility, replacing several other appliances and delivering fabulous results. Tower is a trusted UK brand known for its range of air fryers, and the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer with steamer is no exception. With a stylish design and a generous 7-liter cooking capacity, it offers a range of features and functions that make it a standout choice. This appliance may be a bit chunky, measuring 42.7 D by 31.9 W by 38.7 H centimeters, and weighing 6.65 kilograms, but it's worth it for the convenience it offers. The square-ish design allows for easy storage once it has cooled down. And the shiny black plastic body with a chrome handle adds a touch of style to your kitchen. What sets the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer apart is its ability to steam food, in addition to the standard air frying functions. This unique feature opens up a world of possibilities and allows you to combine air frying and steaming for a variety of meals. Plus, the appliance includes an intelligent steam cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. With the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer, you're not limited to just air frying. It offers a range of functions, including grilling, roasting, baking, reheating, and more. The appliance is not only versatile but also energy efficient, potentially saving you money on your electric bill compared to using a conventional oven. With 1700 watts of power, the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer can handle demanding cooking tasks. Its generous 7-liter capacity means you can cook large quantities of food at once, making it perfect for families or gatherings. With a maximum heat of 200 degrees, it can handle anything a regular oven can. One common issue with air fryers is the tendency to dry out food. However, the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer with steamer offers a solution. By combining air frying and steaming, you can achieve perfectly cooked, moist meals. Delicate foods like fish turn out exceptionally well in this appliance. The Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer with steamer is easy to use. Thanks to its intuitive control panel and self-explanatory mode buttons, the detachable steam tank on top of the machine provides the necessary moisture for steaming. The steam clean option is also a convenient way to keep the cooking bowl and drainer clean. Overall, the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer with steamer is one of my favorite appliances. Its versatility, range of modes, and added steaming functionality make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're looking to simplify your kitchen gadgets or need to save space, this affordable appliance is worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Tower Vortex 7-in-1 air fryer with steamer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.